2, 3, funky.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Simply Julia. I'm Julia, and today guys I am going to be doing an updated version of my everyday makeup routine. The last time I did it was a while ago, a couple of months back, and if you haven't seen it I will put it in the eye up above. Yeah, that actually was like so funny because in that video I like stabbed myself in the with mascara, so I was laughing and my sister was laughing at me. This time I'm not gonna do that. Anyway guys, I hope you guys liked the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and thank you so much for getting me to 50 subscribers, like more than 50 subscribers. Like we're at like 53 right now. That's so crazy to me. But anyway guys, I love you guys so much, and thank you so much again for the support. So let's get into the video. I don't want it to be too long. Bye guys. Hi guys. I forgot to mention that I did my eyebrows off camera because I didn't want this video to be too long, so I did my eyebrows off camera. If you guys want me to do like a full version of my eyebrow routine, which is really simple, so I didn't think you guys need to see that. It really wasn't that much. There's so many eyebrow routines videos on YouTube, so that's why I didn't do it on camera. But yeah, so if you guys want me to do that, I can do that. I just forgot to mention that I did my eyebrows off camera. Okay, bye guys.
Hello? Hello?
Hi guys. I just noticed as I was recording that I didn't wipe out with my nose powder. So clumsy me. Yeah, just ignore that. It's gonna be throughout the video. I didn't see it when I was doing my makeup. So yeah, just ignore that. Also, fun fact, I'm nearsighted, so that's probably why I didn't see that. Like, I had the cameras in dim, but I was kind of far away when I was filming. So just ignore that, because I'm so cute in this video. Okay, thanks guys.
Hello? I love you.
Okay guys, this is the end of the look. I hope you guys enjoyed the look. My look, I mean, I hope you guys liked the look. Don't forget to, like I said, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and leave suggestions in the comments down below. I love you guys so much. Thank you for watching. Bye guys.